Hey guys, it's me Shozeb and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be getting out of my house after almost 100 days. No, actually I've been out and I've gone into my building for a walk and all, but then I have not gone outside except for that one time I went to the petrol pump. And so I'm almost going after a week outside. And I know this video is late, it's all because of my editor. He is being lazy.
Why you always lying?
So today I'll show you. This is my laptop, and if I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's little bit bumpy, or the I don't know if you guys can see it, but the battery has been damaged and I have to get that repaired. So I'll see you guys after changing and in the car. Yeah, I've been here a lot of times.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive.
So how do you feel coming outside?
It's nice, and especially on a Sunday.
Especially on a Sunday. And how do you feel to be the first person except for me to be in my YouTube video?
I'm privileged. I'm like honored.
So should we be wearing masks in car too?
Apparently, they say it's not safe to wear a mask in the car, and you shouldn't be wearing one. And hence, I'm not wearing one.
Oh,
Because I just saw some post somewhere mentioning that it's not safe to wear a mask inside the car because you are in a closed environment anyways.
yes. So there you go. Why he's not wearing masks? So please don't comment that you're that.
I'm
should
holding
wear
a mask any which ways.
Yeah.
It's in my hand. The moment I get out, I'm going to wear this one.
So quick update on the HP thing. What did they say?
They haven't called back yet.
Yeah, they yesterday we called them and they said that their salesmen will be contacting us, but they haven't contacted us in a day, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
24 hours almost.
that's it. So we are now here for, where are we going?
Just going for a ride.
We are just going for a ride, just taking around.
So that our car is maintained, nothing else. Not
Yeah,
that.
that's it. We are not here for fun.
Exactly.
To you, used to play in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger,
All the potholes have been filled in this time period of lockdown, and it's so good to ride in these free roads because there's no car, there's no bike like there are, but there are very few cars, and it's nice, ride here, drive here instead. How are you feeling riding here? Driving here?
Very good. At
Good?
least on the stretch that we are driving, the road walks is almost completed, and I don't see any potholes so far.
So far we don't see any potholes, and it doesn't seem like Mumbai to me because it's almost empty. It's like there are few cars, very few people, but the good thing is that whoever we have seen, 9 out of 10 people are wearing masks, and it's good to see. It's good, we can do it. So guys, how does it feel to be in my vlogs? First vlog.
पहले कौन बोल रहा है इसको खुश करने?
विशाख बोल रहा है।
Come on, guys.
विशाख बोल रहा है।
अरे यार आज का दिन बहुत खराब गया है रे मेरा, पर तेरे व्लॉग में आके मजा आने वाला है।
That's the spirit. Aditya. ना आदित्य.
हाँ
आदित्य तो अटक गया है भाई।
शोजेब का व्लॉग वीडियोस देखने पहले मेरा लाइफ इतना बोरिंग था यार, तो देखने के बाद मेरे लाइफ में मजे
नापतोल का ऐड कर रहा है बे तू। नापतोल का add कर रहा है।
अब आर्यन
मेरे बाल नहीं थे पहले, अभी बाल आ गए। नापतोल का add कर रहा है।
अब आर्यन
हो रहा है मेरा।
आर्यन
मेरा आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ आ रहा है.
आर्यन का बाप लग रहा है ना? आर्यन का बाप
भाई
लग
इतना
रहा है।
मजा आ गया जोसेफ की व्लॉग में आके, इतना मजा आ गया क्या बताऊं, वर्ड्स ही नहीं है।
उसने तो उतना वीडियो फ्रीज कर दिया, उसको दिखाना ही नहीं उसके एक्सप्रेशंस बोलते हुए।
अब रुद्र
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही।
रुद्र
दिस इज माय ओनली चांस टू बी फेमस.
well 82 subscribers soon to hit 100. ठीक है, subscribe from your school account also now.
वीडियो बाद में नहीं आ पाएंगे।
हां कभी
अब शिव how does it feel?
क्रिएटिव है नहीं.
How does it
अरे
feel?
तू तो अपना दोस्त है रे, तेरे व्लॉग में आके मजा आ गया सीरियसली।
फालतू आदमी।
ए देखा, मैं नापतोल का ऐड तो नहीं किया आदित्य की तरह भी। आदित्य और तेरे तरह।
Who's your favorite YouTuber, guys? Who's your favorite YouTuber?
तो
ऐसा देखा जाए तो मेरा फेवरेट कैरी मिनाटी है, सेकंड फेवरेट है वो, फर्स्ट तो सोजेब है। ओह नो,
चलो एक साथ बोलो यार, come on.
सच्ची में।
आदित्य तेरा फेवरेट यूट्यूबर कौन है?
सोजेब
शोजेब बाकी लोग
तुम लोग का पैसा मैं तुम लोग को पेटीएम कर दूंगा, ठीक है? I'll Paytm you guys your money.
बस उसका PS5 कर दूंगा।
Next.
इसको देना PS5।
Boom. That's my desk where I edit. This is the laptop which I will be editing the vlogs. Arnav will be editing the other videos. And this is also the laptop where I pretend to study on online lectures. I act through those pens there. Then there's my earphones. There's my headphones. Then that keychain, I don't know if you can see it. It was gifted to me by Noera and it's one of my favorite keychains. Then that painting was gifted to me by Hasti of Naruto Uzumaki. Then that's one of the painting Janvi gifted to me. It was Harsh's idea. It's basically the copy of my photo that I clicked. You can go see it on Instagram @shozeb. I'll put it down here somewhere. And then this was also gifted to me by Harsh, Janvi and Rajat. Yeah, I'm a huge Iron Man fan. So yeah, that's my whole setup. So guys, I do have a surprise for you. And I know it's in the end of the video. So I'll show it to you in 3, 2, 1. Boom! I shaved. I know some of you guys might not like it. But it was getting very itchy and I was getting irritated because of it. So yeah, that is it. Anyways, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We are very close to hit 100 subscribers. And tell me what I should improve in my vlogging. This was my first vlog, first ever try. And yeah, that's it. Please subscribe. We are reaching 100 subscribers. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take it easy fam. Peace.